Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of adding an NFC card to your Apple Wallet. Let's dive in. First and foremost, ensure that your device meets all the requirements for this process. You'll need a smartphone or tablet with NFC capabilities and an Apple device running iOS 13 or later. Additionally, you'll require NFC tags compatible with Apple Wallet, which you can easily purchase online or from electronic stores. Once you've verified your device's compatibility, proceed to enable the NFC feature on your phone, navigate to Settings, then find and select Wallet Apple Pay, locate the NFC option and toggle it on if it's not already activated. Next, download an NFC app that can read and write NFC tags. Open the app and hold your NFC tag close to your iPhone or iPad. Apple Wallet should automatically detect the NFC tag and prompt you to add it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once done, you'll have successfully added the NFC card to your Apple Wallet, allowing you to use it just like any other card. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add an NFC card to your Apple Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content.